How to generate SENDGRID API key. So first you will simply need to log into your SENDGRID account. And once you're logged in, from the left side menu, click on settings, which is right here at the very bottom. Then click on API keys. So once you're here, you will simply need to click on create API key, which is right here on the top right. Then you will need to enter a descriptive name for your API key. This helps you identify its purpose later. You could also choose the appropriate level of access for your key. So you can select full access, custom access, and billing access. So what full access does is it allows the API key to access get, patch, put, delete, and post endpoints for all parts of your account, excluding billing and email address validation. Some services will be disabled when using an EU subuser. And for the custom access, you can customize levels of access for all parts of your account, excluding billing and email address validation. And for the billing access, it allows the API key to access billing endpoints for the account. This is especially useful for enterprise or partner customers looking for more advanced account management. So here I'm just going to use the full access and I'm just going to name this test. After that, just simply click on create and view. So here is the API key that was created. So I'm just going to blur this out, but that's where it should be located on your screen. And it also says that you will need to copy this key and save it somewhere safe, since for security reasons, SENDGRID cannot show your API key to you again. So make sure to copy the key and store it securely, as you will need it for integration with applications or services. And that is how you basically generate your SENDGRID API key.